Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. As you get going for the day, make sure to grab the umbrella and the rain gear, maybe even the rain boots, if you're going to be out in the elements for an extended period of time later on in the day. We're looking at widespread rain to be the big story for us later on this afternoon, extending through the evening. We also have the cloud cover moving in this morning ahead of that rain. So at the Mackinac Bridge, it is a little bit cloudy out there with a little bit of a breeze, but the wind kicks up later on in the day, more towards the afternoon through the evening. On satellite and radar, what we're seeing is some moisture trying to work in along the Wisconsin state line, though it's not reaching the surface. I know it's showing up on the radar, but we have dry air in place, so that's kind of eating away at that moisture. We are seeing surface observations showing that rain is reaching the surface over in Wisconsin, so it takes a little bit of time for it to kind of overcome that dry air for the morning. It's all because of this area of low pressure that's over in Kansas. It's been bringing in some showers and some thunderstorms for areas in the southern plains and the central plains, and it's actually going to track northeast through the Great Lakes and right through the UP. We don't have big severe weather risk today with that system. There is a level 1 well to our south over in Illinois, parts of downstate into Indiana and Ohio, a level 1. That's a marginal risk for some severe storms there. For us, just mainly rain and some rumbles of thunder in the south. Rainfall amounts will easily be around an inch of rain for today through tomorrow. Right around 3/4 of an inch of rain expected in the western counties of the UP. Here's your hour by hour with that rain as it moves in. Here's midday today. Mainly light, steady rain showers in the western counties late in the morning through about midday. Then notice what happens this afternoon and evening. It becomes widespread. This is 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Pockets of moderate to heavy rain likely. And at that point in time, we'll also see winds increase. This continues for the evening hours and overnight. By tomorrow morning, the bulk of that rain moves out. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll still have some lingering light scattered rain showers across the area. And then by mid to late morning tomorrow, the rest of that rain is cleared. It's out. We'll have mostly cloudy skies, a wind flow out of the north and northwest, bringing in some cooler air. So still below normal today and below normal tomorrow for temperatures. Now, winds not too bad for the morning hours, but gusts will increase of around 30 to 35 miles per hour late in the afternoon through the evening. Temperatures today below normal for all of us. Mid to upper 50s, especially in the central and the eastern counties. Lower 50s expected across the west end. 66 is where we're supposed to be at. Then the pattern shifts completely by the end of the weekend. So we go from very pleasant, dry, nice spring days to more summer-like days later on this weekend through next week. This is what's going to happen. The jet stream is going to be bringing in a ridge for the weekend, and a big heat dome of high pressure develops just to our east and southeast by Memorial Day. What's going to happen is it's going to stay socked in right over us for several days. It's going to pump up winds out of the south. That southerly wind flow is going to be bringing in moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. And since we're on the periphery of this high pressure here in the UP, that's usually when you get unsettled weather, which means that we'll tend to see times of thunderstorms for this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Memorial Day through early next week. And aside from that storm potential, it'll be above normal in the 80s.
Today's pets waiting for forever homes are at the Upper Peninsula Animal Welfare Shelter.